In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Roblox This Experience is Unavailable due to your account settings error 2024. Before we get started with the video, please don't forget to give this video a like, share, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to keep updated with our latest videos. To get started, the first thing that you'll need to do is to open roblox.com on your browser and sign in to your Roblox account. So if you're actually experiencing this experience is unavailable due to your settings, you'll need to access their settings on the website. And here, go ahead and click on the settings. You'll be able to get redirected to the settings. And in here, go ahead and head over to the privacy section by clicking on privacy. Now in here, make sure that you have disabled account restrictions, since enabling this will limit your access to content and will only allow you to access content that is appropriate for all audiences. So if you set that into appropriate for all audiences, the communication settings will be automatically off. Now once you have set all of the necessary settings in this section, what you'll need to do is to head over to the parental controls section. So if that doesn't work out, what you can do is to set disallowed experiences to 17 plus or 13 plus. Since setting this to all ages, limit your access to available minigames on Roblox. Make sure that you have this set, and once you head back to your Roblox account, you'll be able to simply access the games that you want to access on the platform.